Manipur State Commission for Women celebrated its 19th Foundation Day during a program that was held at Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal today. Addressing the function, Governor Bhalla emphasized on the need for more women's participation in every field, including in politics. The governor also stressed on the need to inform women about various welfare programs for women that have been introduced by government. On the other hand, Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Tunglib Tiningpham Amongsang, underscored the importance of educating people about prevention of violence against women through inclusion about the topic in school syllabus. During the Foundation Day observance, the 6th edition of Voice of Women magazine was also released.
Today's program also includes the display of preserved food products, bags and other items prepared by our self-help groups. These are not just items of daily use, they are symbols of women's self-reliance and entrepreneurship. They reflect the determination of Manipuri women to contribute to the economy while nurturing their families and communities. I take this opportunity to commend the creativity and hard work of our women led by self-help groups who are playing a pivotal role in building a resilient grassroots economy. It's my firm belief that women must actively participate in every sphere of life: politics, education, social service, sports, corporate leadership and technology. Their participation is not just desirable, it's essential for building a strong, progressive and equitable nation.